Hello children. Yesterday I gave you open book test on HCF and LCM. Okay, and for that here is the first question. That is we have to find out the HCF of the given numbers. Some of the examples from this is I gave you from the textbook, and some examples I given, that is these are my own examples are there. Okay, so here in this, first of all we have to find out the HCF of 40, 60 and 75. So here I will write 40, 60 and 75. We have to find out the HCF. As I told you before only how to do this. So these all numbers, first of all these are divisible by 5 because at place unit place 0 is there, and I told you that you have to learn the divisibility test to understand these all. So 5 8s are 40. Okay, then 60 inside 5 1s are 5, 1 remain, that we have to take in front of 0, and here it is 10, and 5 2s are 10. Then here also 5 1s are 5, 7 minus 5 is equal to 2, that we have to take in front of this 25 5, so here it is 25, and 5 5s are 25. Okay, now here these three numbers, now 8 12 and 15, 8 12 and 15 are not divisible by any common number, is not divisible by any common number, and that's why the HCF of these numbers is, that's why the HCF of numbers these 40, 60 and the 75 is, HCF is equals to how much? 5. HCF is equal to 5. If it is divisible, we have to carry forward the next steps. Okay, now after this example we will see the next question, that is the 18, 36 and 9, its HCF we will find out. Which? 18, 36 18, 36 and 9. Okay, so here if you see here, you will notice that these all numbers are divisible by 3. So 3 6 are 18, 3 1s are 3, 3 2s are 6, 3 3s are 9. Okay, now 6, 12 and 3, these all again divisible by 3. So 3 2s are 6, 3 4s are 12 and 3 1s are 3. So in this inside, another one more method I taught you in the videos. Understand? If you follow that method, no problem, you just follow it and complete your exercise. So here the common multi, now 2 and 4 and 1, here it is these three numbers, 1 is it also, it is there. So these all numbers are divisible by 3 and 3 means 9. So here HCF, how we are finding HCF is equal to common multiple we have to take. So 3 into 3 is equals to, and 9 here it was finished, it was came here 9 1. So and HCF of these three numbers, that is the 18, 36 and 9 is 9. And if you see, I told you another one more method how to find the HCF of it is, first we have to take the means table inside, in which table these three numbers are present. So if you see 9 2s are 18 and 9 4s are 36. So here 9 is the HCF. In this way also you can find it. The next question is the 40, 60 and 75. 40, 60 and 75. So first of all, these all numbers are divisible by 5 because 0 and 5 is there at unit place. So 5 8s are 40, 5 1s are 5, 5 2s are 10, 5 1s are 5 and 5 5s are 75. Okay, now here 8 12 and 15, I think this question is repeated. Yes, no? Yes. So it's not necessary to solve because this question was repeated. Sorry. Now here if you see these numbers, which one? 56 and 57. If you notice these numbers, you will see that 57 is a prime number, which is 57 is a prime number and 56 is a even number. 56 is a even number, and that's why. Okay, and you know that there is a no any common multiple, means 56 and 57 is not present in any table, and in such a cases the HCF of the given number is 1. Okay, another also method I taught you, how I taught you 40's factors. I told you 40 means what? 40 is equals to how much? 8 5s are 40, so 8 means 2 into 2 into 2 into 5. Okay, 2 2s are 4, 4 2s are 8, and 8 5s are 40. In this way we take out the factors of 40. Okay, and then here 40 over, then we have to take the 60. 60's factors are, hold on, 40 means what? 2 into 2 into 2 into 5. 2 2s are 4, 4 2s are 8, 8 5s are 40. 60 means what? 2 into 3. Okay, 2 into 3 and 5 into 10. 2. So 2 3s are 6, 6 5s are 30, and 32s are 60. These are the factors. And then 75's factors are 25 means 5 into 5. 5 5s are 25, and 25 3s are 75. Now if you see here, the common multiples from this are, which are the common multiples? 5, okay, 5 is the common multiple from in them all. Here 2 are present, but here 2 is not there, and the 3 is absent. So the common multiple is 5. In 3 inside, the first common multiple is 5, and that's why HCF is equal to 5. This also method I taught you in the video, that circles method also I taught you in the video. Okay, just you follow it, no problem. And in this way you just solve these 4 examples of the HCF. Now we will see the next, that is the how to find out the LCM of the numbers. So LCM is equals to LCM means what I told you, that is the lowest common fraction. So I will first of all write here 15, 45 and 105, means 105. Okay, now for this question again we have to find the factors. For finding the LCM, we have to, you know that these numbers are divisible by 5. So 5 3s are 15, 5 9s are 45, 5 2s are 10, and 5 1s are 5. Again these all numbers are divisible by 3. So 3 1s are 3, 3 3s are 9, 3 9s are 27. Okay, now here we got it here. The common factors means 15, 30, 45 and 105 are divisible by 15. Okay, 15 1s are 15, 15 3s are 45, and 15 9s are 100, 15 8s are 105. So here these numbers are this HCF. If you want to find the HCF, both I will tell you. If someone question will come, what is the HCF of this number? So how you will write the HCF? HCF is equals to, you will write 5 into 3 is equals to 15. But here what is they are asking? LCM. So LCM is equals to, we have to take common multiples and uncommon also. So 3 into 9, and when you do the multiplication of this all, you will get the what? Required answer. So the answer. So here if you do the multiplication, you find the 81 into 5. 81, 5 1s are 5, 5 8s are 40. So 405 is the LCM of these numbers. Okay, understand all of you? Sorry, by mistake I written here 7. 3 7s are 21. Yes, so here 7 will come, and if you do the multiplication, 5 3s are 15, 15 3s are 45, and 45 into 7, when you do, you will get the required answer. Wait, I will show you. So here what we have to take, 7 we have to take here also 7. So 5 3s are 15, 15 3s are 45, and 45 into 7, 7 5s are 35, 7 4s are 315 is the answer for this. Means LCM of this number is equal to 315 and HCF is equal to 15. In this way you have to solve the example. Now the second question is, we have to find out the LCM of 18, 30 and 50. 18, 30 and 15. So all of you just see the divisibility test which we can apply here for this question. So the question is, these all numbers are divisible by, first of all, 3. 3 6 are 18, 3 1s are 3, 0. 3 1s are 3, here remains 2, okay. So 50 is not divisible by 3, sorry. So 50 we have to write here as it is. 50 we have to write here as it is. Now if you see here, these 3 numbers are not divisible by 3. So what we will do? Just we have to try the test for it, okay. So here divisible by 2. 2 9s are 18, 2 1s are 2, here remains 1, 2 5s are 10, 2 2s are 4, 1 remains, 2 5s are 10, okay. So HCF of these numbers is 2, because 9, 15 and 25, 9, 15 and 25 are not present in any table, or these 3 numbers are not divisible by, we cannot apply any divisibility test for this. So now we have to find out the LCM. As I told you before only, we have to do the multiplication of 2 into 9 into 2 into 9 into 15 into 25. You will get the required LCM. So all of you do the multiplication, 2 into 9 into 15 into 25. You will get the answer, okay. Do this. Now what happens to this? Next question is the, okay, all of you I told you what we have to do. Just incomplete example I given it to you. Just you do the multiplication and solve it. Next question is the 105 and 195. 105 and 195. Okay, this is the example. I think I gave from this textbook only this example. So here these numbers are divisible by 5. 5 2s are 10, 5 1s are 5. 5 3s are 15, remains 4. 5 9s are 45. 5 9s are 45. Okay, correct. 5 3s are 15, remains 4. 5 9s are. Now this 21 and 39 is divisible by 3 again. 3 7s are 21. 3 1s are 3 and 3 3s are 9. And you know that 7 and 13 are the prime numbers. 7 and 13 are the prime numbers, and that's why these two numbers, prime numbers, are, there is a common multiple in prime number is 1 only. So here HCF is equal to, if you want to find out HCF, the HCF is equal to 15, because the common multiples are 5 and 3, and LCM is equals to 5 into 3 into 7 into 13. So these two's multiplication and these two's multiplications, all's multiplication together, we will get the required LCM. So all of you do the multiplication and find the LCM of these two numbers. Okay, so if you solve this, you will get the answer. Wait, I will tell you. The LCM of these are 1365. Okay, check all of you. Now the next question is the, we have to find out the HCF of LCM of 63 and 81. 63 and 81. Okay, so here I will write 63 and here I will write 81. You know that these all numbers, these both the numbers, okay, are divisible by 3, because sum of this number is 9 and here also 9, means 9, they are divisible by 9 also. So here if I will take 9, so here 9 7s are 63 and 9 9s are 81. 7 is a prime and 9 is a composite number, and that's why they are not present in any table. And if the HCF they are asking, HCF is equal to 9 and LCM is equals to 9 into 7 into 9. Okay, so 9 square is 81 into 7, 7 1s are 7 and 7 8s are 56. 567 is the multiplication of this. So LCM is equal to the 567. These two examples multiplication I told you to do it. Now we have to solve the third, fourth and fifth question. Today we will stop here only. The third, fourth and fifth question we will see in tomorrow's lecture, because if we will take this lecture, the lecture will be big. Okay, and so we will stop here only till for this and the third, fourth and fifth questions. discussion we will take in our next lecture. Okay, so all of you complete here in first example or second example inside. I took one mistake, done one mistake, but I told you how with the correction. So all of you complete these 4 plus 4 8 examples and send me on my personal number. Okay, some examples answers I had not given to you, you have to complete it. Okay, so today we will stop here only. Okay, thank you and have a good day.